Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive the new Dodge Charger. First, ensure your key fob is inside the vehicle and take a moment to adjust your seat and mirrors for optimal visibility and comfort. Press firmly on the brake pedal, then locate and push the engine start/stop button to awaken the powerful engine. Listen for the initial roar, indicating the system is ready for your command, preparing you for an exceptional driving experience. Engaging drive is intuitive once you learn the electronic shifter's feel. Press the button on the shifter, then pull it back one distinct click, ensuring the indicator confirms your selection. Experiment with the various drive modes, such as Sport or Track, to truly understand how they transform the car's responsiveness and handling. Each mode precisely alters engine mapping, transmission shifts, and suspension settings, allowing you to perfectly match the vehicle's dynamics to any driving scenario. Accelerating in this Charger requires a smooth yet firm application of the throttle to harness its immense power without overwhelming the tires. For braking, anticipate stops and apply the pedal progressively, starting gently and increasing pressure as needed. This allows the high-performance brakes to dissipate heat effectively and maintain control, especially when slowing from highway speeds of around 70 miles per hour. Always respect the vehicle's capabilities to ensure a safe and exhilarating journey. Approaching a corner effectively means reducing your speed before turning the wheel, ensuring the vehicle remains balanced. Maintain light and precise steering inputs throughout the turn, letting the car's finely tuned chassis and substantial tires do the work. As you see the corner exit, gently apply throttle and unwind the steering wheel smoothly. This technique ensures maximum grip, control, and stability, allowing you to confidently navigate any curve while maintaining impressive momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.